Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to create a data entry form in Excel. So if you're trying to input data from your tables and instead of actually manually having to go through every single one hand by hand, there's going to be one quick way to turn a table into a data entry form. So it's going to be pretty straightforward, and without further ado, so the first thing we want to do is convert our column names into a table. So you want to go ahead and left click on Insert, to the Insert tab, and then go ahead and left click on Table. It's going to ask where's your data in your table. You just want to probably set it as default here and just select my table has headers, and you can see it auto selects the area here, and that's probably going to be in your case as well. You can just adjust them wherever you need to. We're going to left click on OK, and now you guys see we have created a nice little table there for us. And now we're going to be moving forward into this tutorial, and we're going to add the form creation functionality. So you want to go ahead and left click on the File tab now, and then you want to go down and left click on Options. Underneath Options, you want to go ahead and left click on Customize Ribbon. You want to select Commands Not in the Ribbon. So click on this drop down box, select Commands Not in the Ribbon. This is where we need to go. And now you want to go ahead and scroll down here until you get the form. So scroll down a little bit. So we have a form right here. And then left click on Add once you've selected the form. So you might get a prompt saying command needs to be added to custom groups. To create a group, pick a tab in the list and create a new group. Left click on OK. So now while you have form selected, you want to left click on New Tab. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and left click, make sure form is selected here, and then left click on Add. So our form should be underneath New Group Custom here. So if you want to rename the new group Custom here, you just right click on it and left click on Rename. Display name, I would recommend just changing it to Form, and then left click on OK. And then left click on OK once more again. Now that you've done that, you want to go select your table here. Just highlight over the whole thing. So once you've done that, just left click somewhere on the table. You see we have a new tab up here. I guess we didn't change the entire name, but if you left click on that, you'd be able to go back in and change the name like I showed earlier in the video. You're more than welcome to. But just for the purpose of this demonstration, it's currently underneath New Tab. And then you want to left click on Form. So you would have to change the other one as well to Form if you wanted to have a tab up here for, which is definitely cool. So once you've done that, a new Form dialog box should pop up. You can insert your data into each selection here, so it should be pretty straightforward. So in order to create a new one, just click New to save, and then repeat the process for any records you want to add in here. So let's say we want to add somebody, so first name, let's say Richard, and then last name George, and then date joined, we could say 2/21/2007, or 17 if you want to follow the same pattern we've done before. It'll auto format it either way. So once we've done that, you want to go ahead and just, I'm going to keep filling it in here just to give you guys a good demonstration. And then I'm going to do a city and a state or Providence. Again, this is really going to depend on whatever form you guys want to do. So then just left click on New, and there you go, guys. So if I move this over, you see it auto populated the next row, and it's very simple. Now for data entry, you just go up to the New tab, you just fill it in. It probably will definitely make it easier to explain it to somebody who needs to insert new forms in the future. So I do hope I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.